Okay, so now we're walking to the boat. I'm bringing this plastic and I'm bringing a backpack. Yeah, my pants are soaking wet. Should have worn my trunks. This is a bad idea. Look at this. Looks like I peed halfway. Headed out now. Boat just started. It's gonna be a good day. Look at this boat rocking. Reminds me of that Aaliyah song, Rock the Boat.
We will rock you.
We will rock you. Brunch time. We just stopped. We just stopped and we're about to eat now. Okay, so now we have the new trend.
The experimental diaper.
Experimental diaper. Inverted life vest. Alright, let's go. Look, it works on everyone. It's working on everyone. Everyone's just sitting down. You don't have to struggle. The life vest won't have to choke you on your neck because it's just down there in your butt like a diaper. So Adrian's gonna swim now, but he's just gonna sit down. Oh yeah. It's more fun in the Philippines. Look at that. Ew, look at that. That's nasty. I wouldn't want to be swimming. Well, that's like above me. That's nasty. Done. We good? Yep.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers. Good. Good banana.
We are cousins.
Cousins eating banana. We need to show this to the world because this is something rare. You don't see cousins eat banana at the same time all the time. Rare.
Have you
Rare
seen that on the
footage.
internet? It's so rare. No one does that.
Rare footage. That was some big wave. We almost flipped. We almost flipped. Oh man. No, that was something you don't see all the time. Because it's eating, almost getting flipped on a boat. I seriously thought we were gonna flip. We were gonna go back and swim. The waves are like, it's like really windy. That's why. The winds are blowing the waters.
Crazy. That was crazy. Well, that's something that I should share to my classmates. I almost died.
Almost died in the boat while eating a banana. Legendary. I just took out the case. Anyways, we just made it safely back to shore.
Yeah, lava.
Made it back safely to shore. What's up?
We're alive.
We're live
I vote Lighthouse.
from that flip.
Everyone loves